Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can accept your Facebook page admin request. So let's say somebody sent you a Facebook page admin request. In order to see where the request is, you need to click on notifications on your Facebook. And from inside notifications at the top, it says Kevin Vici invited you to manage HDG page, which means I have just been sent a page admin request. Now in order to accept it, I need to click on this notification and it's going to take me over here. Now it's going to show me two options, decline and review invite. Now I need to click on review invite because if I click on decline, it's going to be unaccepted. And I only have 30 days to reply to it. If I don't do anything within 30 days, it's going to consider decline automatically. So click on review invite and it's going to show me what are the things I'm going to get access to. So let's say I read all of this and I'm okay with all of this. I can click on next. Once I click on next, it's going to show me this. You can read about this as well. It shows you terms and condition and all the things. And from over here, if you want to accept, you click on accept. If you want to decline, you click on decline. So that is basically how you guys can accept a Facebook page admin request. And remember, if you're an admin of a Facebook page, you also have access to deleting the Facebook page. So you need to be very careful to whom you send admin requests to, alright? So hope you understand this video. If you guys found our video on how to accept admin request on Facebook page, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.